Unleashing creativity. Sculpture techniques for beginners. Hello and welcome, dear friends. Today we're diving into a fascinating world, a place where creativity and imagination take physical form. Yes, we're talking about the art of sculpture. In this video, we will explore some basic sculpture techniques that will help you get started on your artistic journey. So let's dive in and unlock the artist within. Sculpture is one of the most enduring forms of human expression. From ancient times to the present, people have used sculpture to communicate ideas, share stories, and explore the beauty of the physical world. Before we dive into specific techniques, it's important to understand two main types of sculptures: subtractive and additive sculptures. Subtractive sculpture involves removing material to create the work, like carving wood or stone, while additive sculpture involves adding material to create the work, such as clay modeling or assembling found objects. Let's start with some basic techniques for subtractive sculpture. 1. Carving. This is one of the most common techniques. It involves chipping or cutting away a shape from a solid material such as wood or stone. Always remember to carve away from your body to prevent injuries. 2. Modeling. This involves shaping pliable material into a desired form. For instance, you could use a knife to shave away pieces of wax or clay to achieve your design. Moving on to the additive sculpture techniques, we have 1. Modeling. Unlike in subtractive sculpture, here modeling involves building up and shaping material like clay or wax. 2. Assembling. This technique involves gathering and joining different materials together to create a form. Think of it like creating a collage, but in 3 dimensions. 3. Casting. This is a bit more advanced but still important to know. Casting involves pouring a liquid material, like molten metal or plaster, into a mold. Once the material hardens, the mold is removed, leaving behind a sculpture. Remember, safety is paramount when you're creating art. Always wear protective gear, such as goggles, gloves, or a dust mask when necessary. Make sure your workspace is clean and well lit, and be aware of your body position to prevent strain or injury. That's all for today, folks. We've explored the wonderful world of sculpture and the basic techniques that artists use to bring their visions to life. Whether you're working subtractively or additively, remember that the most important thing is to have fun and express yourself. Keep practicing, and remember, every artist was once a beginner. Happy sculpting, and we'll see you next time.